In today's video, we bring you quick 7 easy steps to improve your UI design. Let's quickly start with the first one. Layout grid. Currently, as you can see, the following layout doesn't have any grids that are applied. So let us quickly fix this one and I'll tell you what will be fixed in this. So as you can see, what we did is we have fixed the particular layout. So first we have defined a grid and we have fixed it based on the grid. Also the icons and the spacings are similar, whereas the icon spacing were off previously. Similarly, the transaction is aligned, so all the elements are currently in the grid. As you can see the before and after of this. Let us go to the second tip, which is nothing but the color rule. So as you can see, there is multiple colors that are around, which are just thrown on the canvas. So we have fixed it. This one has minimal colors and have prominence on particular elements. So that is the reason how you define colors, which we showed in the video, which I am attaching here. The third one is iconography. So as you can see, there are multiple icons which are of different styling. So one is filled, one is outline, there is multiple colors that are used and so on. So let's fix this. So we fixed it. Currently, as you can see, the layout has multiple form of broken icons which are there, and how we fixed it with a single form of icons. So all are filled and all are single color that we have used. So it can be multicolor, it can be of a particular color as we showed in the first layout, but you have to maintain consistency in the styling. Let's go to the fourth one, which is nothing but the call to action. So as you can see in this one, add cart is the main call to action, but add cart is not getting enough prominence in the entire layout. Users get very confused, as well as the accessibility is off. So if you are using it with one hand, the accessibility of this button is the last that you would think. So let's just fix it. Here what we did is we have a prominent add cart button at the bottom, which is nicely accessible and can be easily tapped, and the entire cart settings are added. So now let's go to the fifth one, that is nothing but typography. As you can see, the particular layout is a little eye straining. It takes a while for you to look at it and read it, so we have fixed it. So now if you would see, this is much better and much legible. The trick over here is just to define the font sizes. So the smaller the size, the bigger the line height. So as you can see, 7, 11, 14 it increases. Here we have kept it constant, so this is the problem that happened. So if you would check for references in multiple good blogging apps or in multiple good publishing apps, you would see this particular layout and this particular typography, which will definitely increase your UI aspect. The sixth one is nothing but a drop shadow. As you can see, the drop shadows are vivid, so some of them have light coming from here, which have drop shadow here. Here the light is coming from right top. Similarly, the shadows are off here, the light is coming from bottom. So this can be fixed by a single light source, which makes it very easy and cleaner. So now we know that the light is popping from right top, and we have clean single directional oriented drop shadows around. So as you can see, the change in this layout, way better. Let's go to the seventh one, which is the last one, which is nothing but the hierarchy. You can fix this kind of hierarchy, and as you can see, multiple things are on a similar scale. So here nothing is highlighted, as well as you don't have a focal point as such. So based on the importance, if we change the hierarchy, if we add some prominence when it comes to font sizes or font styling, you would get this. So currently now we have a hierarchy where 20,000 is highlighted, the card number and validity is a little bit subtle. Similarly, billing list, college fees and the amount is highlighted. Also, the layout has a particular flow to it. You can see from the left top you begin and then you go from this flow, you go in Z pattern. So yeah, that were your quick 7 tips. Please like, share and follow us, and be judgmental, stay judgmental, and don't forget to press the bell icon.